Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding contemplation. What we plant in the soil of contemplation, we shall reap in the harvest of action. When you get your who am I question right, all your what should I do questions tend to take care of themselves. So here are four questions to contemplate. 1. Sit quietly and ask, who am I? Till you get past all your labels. Then contemplate some more, as these labels are merely a role you play in the world, not who and what you truly are, which is a spiritual being. 2. What do I want? If you're not clear about what you want, you will just continue wandering through life. 3. What's my purpose? With a purpose, you'll find meaning in life. And 4. How could I serve? It's been said you could have anything you want in life if you're willing to help enough other people get what they want. As it is in giving, we receive. Enjoy the day.